So good day, welcome back. So let's take a look at what we'll be anticipating for the next day on our AUD USD, which is our Australian dollar to US dollar. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button so you will not miss out on next update. When you click on the subscribe button, also click on the bell notification so that once I drop an update, instantly you will get the updates. Now let's take a look at our AUD US dollar. If you zoom it out, right, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. Basically, this is our current trend. Have this in mind that AUD USD is a bullish move on our current trend. Now, take a look at it this way. If this is our high, here is our higher low. This is also our higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up and gave us higher high, and here is the higher low. Market did an higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up and gave us an higher high, and this is our higher low. So is this higher low over? Definitely not. So this is the support level right here. This is our support level right here. So we are still expecting AUD USD to drop further down to come tap our support level. Then we can now start looking for a buy setup around this level that will eventually pushes up. So with what I'm saying, let's be patient for AUD USD to drop to tap this support level properly. Once it taps the support level properly, then we can now start anticipating for a buy or a bullish move on AUD USD. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So just follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section and also click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any further updates.